this tutorial we are going to discuss how we can add our new users to this CRM. So basically, to assign the new members to the CRM, we have to click on the Users and Permission section. After clicking on the section, then we have to select the Users Management subsection. After clicking on the subsection, the window of Add New User will be open in front of us. Now here you can see that various users have been already added to this CRM. However, if we want to add new user, we have to click on the Add New tab on right corner. Now once we click Add New tab, the window will be open, where we have to fill the official information about the particular user. Firstly, we have to fill their official information, such as email address followed by role of user, where we can select his role as salesperson, manager or an admin, etc. After that, we have to add user's first name and last name and the manager's name, basically to denote under whom they are working. So, by filling all the information, we can also add their mobile number. Now after verifying all the information, we can submit it over here. Apart from that, if you think that you can also have information about their birth date or their profile photo, then that information, we can add it accordingly. If you want to assign them any particular project, let's say here, I am assigning them in 198 City Hub project. So here you can see the project can be assigned to them. Now what access you want to give to them, you can select from here. Once the user information has been submitted, then the owner will get the follow-up message. Also, if you want that the employees use the CRM from office only, then you can enable these two options, that is IP filter check and dual factor authentication, where the admin get the OTP. Once you enter the OTP, then only the user can use this CRM. Also, users will be prohibiting to use this CRM at home. You may also enable all activities section, so that you can have track of all the activities of the respective user. At the end, we have to submit all the details. Once clicks on submit button, your user will get the password confirmation mail. Once he set the password, then user can have access to this CRM. All information you can see over here about the respective user, such as status. Also, you can take the action against the particular user by clicking the action button at right. Now in today's tutorial we have understood how add new user to this CRM. Thanks for watching.